Theradome and light, is an interesting thing. There is no question that red light makes hair grow. Low level energy red light definitely works. Theradome is one of the companies that has actually gone through the FDA process, doing hair counts and that kind of stuff, to see that we can actually grow hair. So I think it's important, and anybody that does anything in the cosmetic business, when we do something in the office, that has to be complemented with something at home. So with Theradome as a home device for people with hair loss, it works over time, it doesn't hurt, we know it works, the efficacy is there, the safety is there, and so why not incorporate red light and the Theradome into your home care for patients with alopecia? It just makes sense.